Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add custom questions to Meta Ads lead forms. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Meta, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding custom questions to Meta Ads lead forms is a great way to gather specific information from potential customers. Because for one, custom questions allow you to gather detailed information that is not covered by the standard fields like name and email. Now, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, and from here click on Ads Manager and click on Campaigns. Click that. Now, once you are inside the campaigns dashboard, you need to click the green create button to start a new campaign. Or if you have an existing campaign to edit, just here, it would auto-populate and you can work with that. Of course, from here, all we have to do is click on create. And now what we need to choose a campaign objective is going to be not awareness, not traffic, not engagement. It's going to be leads, all right? Do not choose any of it. Now, on the buying type, you can choose if it's going to be for auction or reservation, okay? But in this case, we're just going to leave it as it is for auction and click on leads. Click on continue because as you can see, leads are good for your business or brand. It's good for instant forms, right? If you're working with maybe like other data that you wanted to work with, Messenger and Instagram conversions and calls. I want you to click on the continue button. Just wait for it to load. Now, you can choose a campaign setup. You can create your leads campaign using a recommended setup to maximize performance. If this is your first time to create a campaign, you might want to use the recommended settings because you can use preset campaign optimizations to help meet your goals. All right, so there are already given preset settings, including Advantage Plus audit, Advantage Plus placement, and more. But if you already are familiar with the Meta campaigns backend, you might want to use the manual leads campaign because you can create a leads campaign from scratch using the standard setup. But this is for those who already have a technical expertise or background using Meta. But for now, we're gonna use the recommended settings. Just wait for it to load, and you see there's going to be a lot of information that you can work with. All right, Advantage campaign budget. So leave it as it is for now because what we need to do is to click this option, new leads ad set with recommended settings. All right, there's another one here, but I want you to click on the first one. Of course, you can choose where you want to generate the leads. Is it going to be for website, Messenger, instant forms and Messenger, Instagram, calls, app? Now, I'm going to be using the instant forms where I can generate leads by asking people to fill out a form, all right? Because the idea is to add custom questions, all right? Now, here, you have to hover down below where you need to see some more options. Go to the placements and show more options. Just hover down below and click on next. Just wait for it. Now you see this is going to be the call to action. Okay, sign up, subscribe, apply now, book now. Just wait, leave it as it is. You see, there's going to be an option that says destination. This is telling the people where to send immediately after they tap or click your ad, okay? I want you to click on the create form first, okay? This is going to be the headline. Now, on the form name, you might want to use for the something like Jeep Laughs, okay? Now, you see, now, there's going to be three options for the form type. One is more volume, higher intent, and rich creative. I want you to select the higher intent. Why? Because from here, you can add review step that gives people a chance to confirm their info. And of course, you can put in more customization, okay? Now, if you click on the create form right here, you see, you're going to have more headline. For example, this is gonna be for this one, and this is for G plans. Right, so you can add more questions, and you can also remove the greeting if you wanted. Now on the intro, however, there's gonna be a background image, and of course you can slide this option here, and you can use the image from your ad or use upload an image. I'm gonna use this one and upload an image of my own. So you see that? That's a little bit better. Okay. And from here, you can remove the grading if you wanted. You can add conditional logic, and you can add your first questions. You can choose the multiple choice. All right. If you do that, you see, for example, question. Answer is all right. And the logic is you can go to a question, submit form. All right, or if you don't want this very intricate step, just slide off of the conditional logic. Okay, and you see that description. Okay, so you can add more, and as you go along, you can choose the type of information you need. For example, now of course you can choose the email for the contact fields, or you can get the full name. All right, so whatever your preferences and goals needs to. You can add category, for example, contact fields for phone numbers, street address, and a lot more. User inform or demographic questions such as date of birth, gender, marital status, and a lot more. Work information, job title. It could be like maybe job title for is it. You can add another category for the national ID number, but we're not gonna deal with that for now. And I'm happy with it. And all they're gonna do is put in the headline. All right. So this, as you can see, and you can add additional action. Go to website, share a URL from people to visit your website. You can share a file if you wanted to add a link. For example, this one, I'm gonna add the D laughs. You might want to check in our channel and hit the subscribe button. All right, so you can have a call to action, which is going to be the view website, and once you're happy with it, all you have to do is click on the create form. All right, click that, and of course you just have to make sure that all the link is correct. Once you're happy with it, you would be able to successfully create and add custom questions to Meta Ads lead forms. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.